how to recover your Spotify account or how to get the Spotify account back. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can get your Spotify account back. First things first, if you don't remember your password, you can simply use the password reset option. I won't be able to show it to you here because the screen will turn black as soon as I open the app and head into the login page. But under the password section, you'll find the option forgot password option. You want to tap on it and you want to head into the password reset option. If you don't remember your email or username, simply go to password reset and enter possible email address you own. That is the email address that you connected your account to. Then when you enter an email that's registered with Spotify, you'll get the message that the password reset email was sent on the mail. So you can simply head into the particular mail that you typed in there and open up the mailbox, and there you'll be able to get the link to recover your account to reset the password. So this way you can get your Spotify account back. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.